Air fryers have become a staple in many kitchens, promising crispy, flavorful cooking with minimal oil. But with so many options on the market, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. To help you navigate the sea of air fryers, I've put the top 5 contenders of 2024 to the test. Here's a deep dive into their features, performance, and overall user experience. Number 1. Ninja Air Fryer Max XL. Features: boasts a large 5.2-liter capacity, perfect for families or those who like to cook in bulk. Comes with multiple cooking functions like air frying, roasting, baking, and dehydrating. Offers a sleek digital control panel for easy use and pre-programmed settings. Experience: the Ninja Air Fryer Max XL delivered on its promise of crispy results. My chicken wings turned out golden brown and juicy on the inside, thanks to the powerful convection technology. However, the size might be a concern for smaller kitchens, and cleaning the basket can be slightly cumbersome. Number 2. Instant Pot Vortex Plus Clear Cook. Features a unique clear cooking window, allowing you to monitor your food without opening the air fryer. Offers a spacious 6-quart capacity and a variety of pre-programmed settings, including air fry, roast, bake, and reheat. Comes with a rotisserie basket for perfectly cooked whole chickens. Experience: the Instant Pot Vortex Plus Clear Cook impressed me with its innovative clear window. It was fascinating to watch the food cook in real time, and the rotisserie basket produced restaurant-quality rotisserie chicken. However, the digital controls might not be as intuitive for everyone. Number 3. Dash Compact Air Fryer. Features: this is the most compact air fryer on this list, making it ideal for small kitchens or those with limited countertop space. It boasts a 2-quart capacity, perfect for single servings or small batches. Features simple analog controls with knobs for temperature and time settings. Experience: the Dash Compact Air Fryer is a great option for its size and affordability. It's easy to use and clean, making it perfect for beginners or those who want a hassle-free air frying experience. However, the smaller capacity might not be suitable for larger families or those who cook in bulk. Number 4. Cuisinart Convection Toaster Oven Air Fryer. Features: this multifunctional appliance combines the functionalities of an air fryer, toaster oven, and convection oven in one. Offers a spacious 6-slice capacity, perfect for toast, bagels, or small pizzas. Features various cooking functions like air fry, bake, broil, and rotisserie. Experience: the Cuisinart Convection Toaster Oven Air Fryer is a versatile kitchen hero, saving counter space and offering multiple cooking options. The air frying function produced crispy and healthy French fries, while the toaster function delivered perfectly brown toast. However, its larger size might not be ideal for those with limited countertop space. Number 5. Instant Pot Duo Crisp Ultimate. Features: this unique appliance combines the functionalities of an air fryer and a pressure cooker. Offers a 6-quart capacity and comes with a variety of accessories, including a pressure cooker lid, inner pot, crisper basket, and dehydrating rack. Features pre-programmed settings for air frying, pressure cooking, slow cooking, steaming, and yogurt making. Experience: the Instant Pot Duo Crisp Ultimate impressed me with its versatility. It tackled various culinary tasks with ease, from air-fried vegetables to pressure-cooked stews. However, its multifunctionality comes with a learning curve, and it might not be as user-friendly for those unfamiliar with pressure cookers.